Hi, and welcome to Unprecedented Journey. I'm your host, Jeff Oppenheim, and I'm joined again by Alibe Hamaker, who's here to help us to continue to build our knowledge about food sustainability and reduction of food waste. Alibe, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
And voila, we got a feast. So Alibe, walk me through this meal now. We've got, looks like a 3-course meal here, so walk me through it.
So we're gonna go to the tray first. We have the artichoke. I took it apart because I will show you how we Chileans eat artichokes. And the second dish is pasta with the sad vegetables that we found in Jeff's refrigerator, which it came out great.
They have new life, look.
Beautiful. And right here we have a potato tortilla, which usually we fry it, but I decided to do it in the oven because I'm staying away from frying anything. I prefer, this system works just fine. So it has potato and some of the peppers and onions that we found in your refrigerator, and mushrooms, carrots, and also we added some bacon and some cheese that it was a leftover cheese. Nobody wanted it, so we added to the mix, and some eggs. So beautiful, and I'm sure it tastes delicious. And then the artichokes.
And we have a beautiful salad.
The salad will combine some of the lettuce, cucumber, onions, and carrots, and part of the celery.
Wow, that looks like a meal unto itself, doesn't it? What else do we have?
And for drinks, we mix cucumber and the limes that we found in your refrigerator. So this is really good. Usually given at the spa to relax and feel pretty. And we also have a combination of berries. We left this sit for a couple of hours in the refrigerator, and by the time you get to drink it, you really can taste all the flavors of the berries, the same as the cucumber and the lime. So
Well, it looks like a feast. So now the sauces we have, I see you made 2 different ones. Yes?
yes, so we can mix either vinegar and olive oil, salt and pepper, or do it with lemon, olive oil, salt and pepper. But some people, I must say, also prefer with the lemon combination with a little bit of mayonnaise and a little thicker sauce. But I prefer to stay away from that. I like it lighter. So mix the sauce there. But before we go, I really want to explain how to finish these artichokes.
And it's going to take a while.
I think that's the best. I think that is the reason that artichokes is such a great meal, especially you eat it at the beginning of the meal. You really have to take your time. I enjoy it so much, and every bite is just so good. So
It is delicious, and the sauce is so good.
But I wanna explain that once you get to the center of the artichoke, so when you're about there, you actually take this off. You pull it like that.
Ta-da!
Oh, there is one more layer. So
beautiful, huh?
So you can dip all this in here and just eat the edge. It's so good.
That's the surprise filling in the center.
You can continue with this part, the same thing. Just dip it in there and eat it. And this is one of the reasons a lot of people are afraid of artichoke, which they shouldn't be. You just peel it away. It comes out very easily.
Now this is the part that you don't eat, right? Because of the little fibers. It's not that you can't eat it. It's not that it's poisonous in any way. But you don't want to eat this because of the little fibers in your throat might get stuck and cause you to choke.
Almost there. A little messy, but
That's part of the fun, right?
fun. It's like eating lobsters. So once that's done, now you can soak the entire thing in here, and this is the best part of the artichoke.
That's the artichoke heart.
Oh yes,
Nice.
it's delicious. So please, if you see an artichoke, try it. It's so simple to cook and eat, and it's just so good for you.
Now you know what to do with it. So we're going to sit down to dinner. I'm going to sign off here because I want to just enjoy, kick back and relax with Olive, who's worked so hard to not only prep all this and teach us everything, but also to cook it and show me how it's done. So I'm Jeff Oppenheim. This is Olive Hammaker. Thank you for joining us today on Unprecedented Journey.
Thank you.
Till the next time. Bon appetit.